Good morning everyone. My name is Angom Yefanga and today I'm going to show a presentation about complex number and its application in real life. So, what is a complex number? The definition of complex numbers. A complex number is a number that can be expressed in the form a plus bi, like z is equals to a plus ib, where z is the complex number and a is the real part and ib imaginary number iota. I is called the iota and b is the real number and this is the imaginary part. So there are two parts, real and imaginary parts. The number a is the real part and b is the imaginary part as seen in 3 plus 4i. Like here is the diagram. Then here is the visual representation. Complex numbers are displayed in a complex plane and aiding in understanding their properties, which helps us understand the properties by this visual representation. And as you all know, natural numbers, whole numbers, and all the other numbers like real numbers and irrational numbers come under complex numbers, and it's like the whole ecosystem where complex number is the main thing which consists of all these types of whole natural whole numbers and integers. And operations with complex numbers are addition and subtraction, combined real and imaginary parts separately. Example: 3 plus 2i plus 1 plus 4i equals to 4 plus 6i, where the imaginary numbers are added. Where the imaginary parts are added together and the real numbers are added separately. Next is multiplication. It uses the distributive property and simplified by applying I square is equal to minus 1. Example: 2 plus 3i bracket 4 plus 5i equals to minus 7 plus 22i. And next is division. Multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate and denominator. So now next we are going to talk about the applications of complex numbers. As everything that we learn, we have to put it in real life and use. So the first is engineering applications, then control theory, then fluid dynamics. We'll go through one by one each. The first one is quantum mechanics. These are real life applications of complex numbers. So complex numbers play a fundamental role in quantum mechanics, where wave functions are represented using complex probability amplitudes. Then computer graphics. Complex numbers are used for transformations, rotations, and fractal designs, creating integrate patterns. Then next is signal processing. In digital signal processing, complex numbers are manipulate and analyze signals, enabling innovations in communication. Then there's electrical engineering, where in AC circuits, complex numbers known as phasors are used to analyze alternating current by representing both the magnitude and phase shift of voltages and current. Then we have impedance. The complex numbers are called impedance, simplifies calculations for the resistance and reactance of components like inductors and capacitors. Next are quantum mechanics, wave functions. In wave functions, complex numbers are foundational to the mathematical description of quantum mechanics. They are used to represent the wave function that describes the state of quantum system. Next is signal processing, Fourier analysis. The Fourier transform uses complex numbers to decompose signals into their different frequencies. This is crucial for filtering noise and compressing audio and image data. Like you can examples are when you use earphones, you have noise cancellation, and it uses the same property of Fourier analysis. And the next is audio and video. Technique using complex numbers are fundamental to processing, compressing, and restoring digital audio and video signals. As every audio and video file is saved in bits, and it can be easily used to recover those files, and this is how it's used with the application of complex numbers. Next is wave function. Complex numbers are foundational to the mathematical description of quantum mechanics. They are used to represent the wave functions that describes the state. Other applications are like fluid dynamics, computer graphics, and finance. We'll go through them. We'll have basically a summary, and like fluid dynamics are used to model two-dimensional fluid flows such as air or aircraft wings. Like you have seen, like planes have wings tilted to a specific position as to generate lift, and so as many other engineering applications they are there. Then computer graphics. In 3D graphics, complex numbers are extended to quaternions, and which are used to represent and interpolate rotations efficiently in computer animations and video games. And then also finance, complex number based equations are used to financial mathematics for option pricing and model risks. Examples of complex numbers. Basic example, conjugate and modulus, then application in equations. We've already gone through it previously, so we'll move on to the historical context of complex numbers. The origin of complex numbers was originated in the 16th century during the attempts to solve cubic equations. The key contributors are figures like Girolamo Cardano, Raphael Bombello, and Carl Friedrich Gauss significantly contributed to the development of complex numbers. That's all for today, and thank you so much for the opportunity to give me a chance to present a presentation on this topic, and that's it.